Fort St. John residents were heard loud and clear on what they want to see in the city's future, which will be taken into consideration for the city's next official community plan.
We're very pleased to see the community come out and join us.
This week, city staff and Urban Systems presented a summary report to council about the community feedback received over the last month on what the public wants to see happen in the city within the next 15+ years.
We had some cafes, 3 world cafes. We had stakeholder sessions. We also had public community surveys, and people can also get information on their website.
After compiling all the feedback for the visionary policy document, city staff identified key themes from the public.
One of the highlights that came out of that engagement was people told us they want more green spaces, more trails, more active spaces.
The city says 4 overarching themes were noticed from the results, including quality of life, implementation of the OCP, balance of land use, and diversity in services.
Having options for housing, having clean, green streets, for example, and places to go in the evening, maybe for a cafe, coffee, and that sort of thing. So all of those things combined really help with improving our quality of life.
On Canada Day, the city asked the public what green initiatives they want to see in the future and received a variety of responses.
More composting. We heard make the streets less dirty, for example. We heard community gardens. So those are all, and use more green energy. So those are all the things that we're looking at.
The OCP is updated every 5 years, and now the city is on to phase 3, which is creating the first draft of the amended bylaw.
We have to look at some of that feedback and see what's our ability as a municipality to help. So we may be able to help affect some change by being that voice to support those services coming into our community.
The draft will be available for the public to view and comment on at a block party in September, and the city expects to have the final draft completed by the end of the year. Kerrisa Wilson, CJDC-TV News, Fort St. John.